Hello there everyone, my name is Swallow and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, and we're going to take a look at it from the standpoint of really big global Bitcoin emergency, because quite frankly it is an emergency. And I'm going to show you my trade setups, what I'm gearing up for, what I'm preparing to take, and how I'm going to be trying to hedge against the potential drawdown in Bitcoin that is coming right now. So I'm going to give you my trade setups, everything in this video, and we really have to watch this video from the beginning in until the end, guys and girls, because the time has come and it's about time for us to move very hard on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to move very hard very soon. So let's just, without any further ado, if you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload, and just comment down below, call me Mr. Spot On, because we've done amazing this year and I always love to see a bunch of Mr. Spot On comments down in the comment section. So without any further ado, let's just move to the chart. And I know this chart looks ridiculous, but everything for me makes perfect sense here. But for the purpose of this video, I've made a new chart. I've cleaned everything up just for you, so you understand exactly what I'm personally looking at right now. So, and here is going to be this chart. Let me just go through all these things. It's very simple, it's very straightforward, and it explains a lot. And certainly, guys and girls, all the trades I'm going to show you in just a second, I'm going to be taking them over on BitGet. Why? Number one, they give you insane bonuses, and number two, every time you take a trade, you get a rebate sent back into your spot account as USDT, or if you're trading inverse perpetual contracts, then you're going to be getting that coin in rebates of your commissions. So this is insane, and even if you're a break-even trader, you're going to make money. So you're going to get a salary, and these are the rebates I'm getting on all my trades, which is just insane, absolutely insane. And this is something you really have to use as a trader. And certainly if you're going to use my link, which you can find down in the description as well as in the pinned comment, you're going to get insane bonuses. So number one, you're going to get back get this rebate. Number two, you're going to get a 20 USDT sign-up bonus, or you're also going to get up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses. Once you click the link, all the info is there, and you will also get this bonus and also 50 USDT for 50k futures trading volume, which is really easy to reach. And if you deposit more than $500, you'll get my crypto course for free. And in case if you don't get some bonus, whatever, remember, guys and girls, that to get a bonus, you have to go on BitGet to Reward Center right here and claim all the bonuses. So, and then in Reward Center, you can click also my reward, and your reward, for example, I still have to claim this 20 USDT sign-up bonus. And the thing is that it takes about 24 to 48 hours for all the bonuses to be credited. But in case if you didn't get some bonus, there is a free Telegram channel, my Telegram channel, in the description of this video. Go find it, join it, and in one of the posts there is a support group of BitGet that you can write to and actually claim your bonuses. So we're getting ready for big trades on BitGet right now, and let's just break it apart. So what's most important right now really is for us the daily chart, and we're gonna see that number one, in the daily chart we are, in terms of the EMA ribbon, which again, it's not, you cannot really predict the market based just on the EMA ribbon, but it's like if it's one of 30 things that you're looking at, then it's actually a very good indicator. So here we made this attempt to break above, and remember that whenever we would have a bullish momentum, we would always be above the daily EMA ribbon, just like we were here, just like we were here, etc. So whenever we are below the daily EMA ribbon, this is bearish control zone, so bears are in control, it's obvious. So we made another attempt here, and we got pushed back down really hard. So and right now we're back in this vicinity, which is barely at the most important support right now, which in my opinion probably might be lost very soon. So that's why I watch this video till the end. So it's evident in accordance to EMA ribbon that we are just in bearish control zone. That's number one, so that's a huge weakness. Number two is BBWP. So if we're going to take a look at the daily BBWP, we're going to see the expansion phases, which are also very interesting in terms of just timing, trying to time the market. And that is, every time when we saw a prolonged consolidation in the daily chart, again, this works in any time frame, but mostly for the purpose of this video, it's best to use the daily chart. So we're going to see some prolonged consolidation, then finally a move, the choose of the direction of the move. Again, macro environment right now is predominant, so therefore we are just bearish. I mean, everything is bearish. So, and right now we also had this small consolidation, then a big expansion phase here, and you see side move, dump, side move, dump, side move, dump. So this is most likely what we're going to see, because it's been really a while since we saw a big expansion phase in the actual BBWP. So it's been a while. It's been since June the 20th. We've pretty much been trading sideways, and this brings us to, so that's why, big move is ought to come. The big move has to come soon. So that's that's what BBWP is telling us. Now when it comes to pure TA, then we're gonna see this very important resistance that has been important. I mean, it was created in November, which was the peak. And this is, TA is absolutely beautiful. It works amazing. And guys, there are still a few seats left. We added some seats at my university grade trading education. Just go to offer.thomascrawler.com and become one of my students and start trading like a professional. Yeah, so use this opportunity. It's a 50% discount right now. And you learn all of these things: MA, FA, on-chain analysis, technical analysis, all of it. And also how to actually get into real money trading. So it's very important. Other coaches really don't teach these things. So anyway, right now we had, just historically, we had this as a support. So there was a rejection here, then we broke above, and everybody was saying, oh, now we're gonna have another leg up to 100K. It didn't happen. Finally we lost it here. Huge. It just was ridiculous how much we lost, from 36,000 all the way to 25,000. Then we sort of retested it. It wasn't precise, so this is the imperfection of this whole setup. Then we had a big rejection here, absolutely beautiful. Another big, huge, beautiful fundamental rejection here. Therefore, and right now we are standing at this insane support, which is, if we're gonna close a daily candle below it, then I would probably say that our next target, if we're gonna lose it, going to be something, I would probably say this order block right here, potentially. Let's just mark it as our next target, order block in between this vicinity, and I would probably put it like this. So it's going to be in between 12K to 14K is going to be our actual target. This place, this order block, just historically, just technically. So, and if we're gonna close below, and this is what it starts to actually feel like at this point. But certainly, let's take a look at a smaller time frame, because this is just something that is big, right? So if we're gonna see a close below here, maybe even some bad news coming out, so some fundamental support as well, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So join my free Telegram channel. Always, all the info is there, and follow me on Twitter, and also just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell, because I always keep you guys updated, regardless if it's a Sunday, Monday, Saturday, whatever. So for now, we are still safe. We are very close to it, and we are starting to actually squeeze it. It's obvious how this squeezing in this vicinity starts to happen, like a flag formation, because it's like narrowing down of volatility, and you cannot deny it. Even the haters of technical analysis cannot deny it. So we will have a huge move at the latest, sometime in October, because we still have some room to play around here. Usually these kinds of formations, they should break before the end. Rarely they go like till the very end. So I'd probably say somewhere within the next 30 days we're gonna have this major break of this whole formation, which is gonna have big implication. And before we talk about all the small targets that I have right now and small trades that I'm going to be taking, let's quickly take a look at the target, because the technical, again, just to see the expansion phases, the same thing as with BBWP. Normally this is how much we move down. So theoretically, if we're going to believe in lower prices, the break, something like this, then our target could be like something even lower than this current interest, this area that I just marked. So it could be as low as like 11K. But guys, remember that if Bitcoin ever goes to 11K, I'm going to be buying. I don't know, I'll probably deploy the rest of the capital I have in USDT and USDC left at around 10K. So it's going to be an unbelievable opportunity. And certainly us as traders, us not being idiots, we have to entertain both possibilities. If we're going to break above this whole, with some volume and confirmation, maybe some good news, and, for example, I don't know, XRP winning the lawsuit against SEC, which is not going to happen this year, but nonetheless, something that big. And let me know down in the comments if I should cover XRP, because maybe even today, because there are a lot of very important news when it comes to XRP. So therefore, the target of this upside breakout would be like $32,000. But quite frankly, I am betting more on downside. I just don't see this potential upside. There is no reason for any upside. And if you haven't checked my previous videos, check them out. I'm talking about inflation, what we can expect from inflation historically, and when Fed could pivot, etc. So, and it doesn't seem like it's going to pivot anytime soon. So let's go to 4-hour chart, and here we're going to see another interesting squeeze within a squeeze. So, and here I would actually be both short bias as well as long bias, because if we're going to break below in this vicinity, let's take a brush, then it's going to be pretty much, coinciding very well with this whole formation that we were seeing in this vicinity that we just spoke about. But if it's going to jog along a little bit more and then actually break above, this could be a very nice long trade, but it's not going to be, us flipping bullish. Rather, it's going to be us trading into this whole flag formation. That's why I said it's going to be a smaller trade. And here, if we would take something of this sort, this kind of a quick long trade just for our chart, then our target could be, if let's say we break somewhere in this vicinity, then our target could be something like $20,000, 500. But just to be more on a safe side, I would say probably even something like $20,000. So play it all the way from 19,000 to about 20K. Would be an absolutely beautiful trade that you could take without actually flipping bullish, because it would be in this vicinity. Guys, girls, remember that you can trade on Bitget and get all these insane rebates on every single trade that you're taking. And make some noise down in the comments. I'm gonna link a course that I've done on crypto, like super basic course you can take if you're brand new to trading. It's gonna save you a lot of time as well as money that you otherwise will lose in the market like everyone else. Check it out, click on it right now, watch it, and let me know down in the comments if I should do an XRP update today as well. And as always, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.